What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ian Trader with another JasmyCoin update. What's up Jasmy community? I have a few really important information for you, so stay tuned. But before we start, thank you so much. We just reached 900 subscribers, actually 950, that's crazy. Thank you so much, and if you're not subscribed yet and you really enjoy my content, make sure you click that subscribe button, help me reach 1000 subscribers. That would be just incredible. And if you want to help me grow my channel, you can subscribe, like this video, and make a comment down below. Secondly, this is not a financial advice. As always, this is just my personal opinion based on 8 years of experience on the market. And here we go, let's go. So guys, I was making a few videos before, and I've been telling you guys that it's really there's a really important support level at 2.8 cents over here. And some of you, I saw it in the comments, did not believe that actually Jasmy can go back to 2.8 of a cent. And look what happened, we actually did it. So it was a great prediction by me. I'm really proud of that, and I'm really happy. I'm not happy that the Jasmy went down, but it's really healthy for long-term growth. Like correction of 35%, it's something really normal. It's nothing to be scared of. It's nothing to be like really afraid of. And I told you about this. Told you about that moving average and the support right here. That is really important. That 618 level is really important level, and we actually went down to 2.8. Look, guys. I was telling you 2.8 cents, and we went to 2.779, so almost 2.8, something like that. I was almost completely correct. And why I thought that this level was so important. First of all, it's 618 Fibonacci retracement level from the movement of all the way down from the bottom to the local top right here. But also when we look back historically, you may not see it. For example, when you put a weekly chart, wait a second, oh, there we go. When we look at the weekly chart, you may not see much here, but as we switch to daily, then you can see much more. You can see this price movements. Those candles were struggling to break that level, and we probably needed some strong movement from BTC to break that level down, and we broke it, and that level became a resistance. That was a support over here, and it became a resistance. So we bounced back all the way up, and we bounced all the way down. So that was a support, then it became a resistance, and we look back. That candle was crazy, so we just broke that level straight up. So something incredible happened. But even here, we can see this little wick. You can see the bounce here. Yeah, that's the support level. Then we broke it, and then we had a nice one daily candle that almost touched that level and bounced back. Then we broke it with one big candle, and then we were trying to break it down, which we succeeded. And we have another try to break that resistance, so that support became a resistance, and it was rejected, and we went to the bear market, and now we're back, and this goes all the way to the right side over here. And look what happened here. We had another try a few weeks before. In March, a few months before, we had a nice try over here, as you can see, and we couldn't break that level. We had another try here, and with the third try here, we finally broke it, and now this should be a really strong support. So now we're just tapping that level, and we're probably gonna bounce, unless there's just one condition. Unless Bitcoin is going to go to 62 and 60 level, because altcoin market is really freaking sensitive to BTC right now at this moment. So for a moment we may actually break that level over here and go lower, and you're probably asking where we can go. 0.5 and 382, so anywhere between those two levels We can go how far. It really depends on the BTC, because the BTC is actually giving the cards on the market. So market is really sensitive recently, and it may affect Jasmy. Remember, if the BTC is gonna break down, this may not hold, okay? But it's a good sign, because if it goes lower, then you will be able to accumulate more Jasmy with much better price. If you see a discount, for example, in the store of right now, it's 37%. What do? You have your favorite item. You go to the store and you have your favorite, I don't know, like shorts, and the shorts brand is Jasmy, and you see like minus 40% discount. What do? You just buy. You even buy more. You know what I mean? But somehow when we look at the charts and we see minus 40%, we are scared of that red color. They do it on purpose. They put like red color to put something negative behind that, and they put green on something that's growing to put something positive feeling. And it's totally the opposite, because experienced traders, investors that make a lot of money are smart, and they see in the red color something really positive. So you have to switch that. When you see green color, when you see things growing, you should be worried. You should be anxious. Like, should I sell? Like, right? And if we see red color, we should be happy. Okay, like now I can get in. Because remember, guys, every minus 50%, so minus 50% would mean we would go just in the middle of this channel, accumulation channel right here. So minus 50% means that if we're gonna bounce back here, you can make 100%. Every minus 50% down is plus 100% up. So if we go down here and we go back, it means everyone is thinking, oh, this is the same. No, the movement here down is only 50% less, minus 50%, and this movement is plus 100. So this is twice more valuable. So by getting the coins, by getting assets, stocks, whatever that is, the lower you get it, the more you can get out of that, okay? The more you can make, and it's so valuable. So don't worry about corrections. It's totally normal. There is a long moving average, 200 daily moving average right here, and we may just go bounce off that. It's possible. If Bitcoin's gonna go to 60K or even below, we can just bounce off that moving average right here, and it's gonna be a perfect scenario. So don't worry about that. Alrighty, I hope you like that. Smash the like button, subscribe to my channel again. If you like the information, leave the comment down below. If you don't know what to comment, just comment thank you. I'm gonna give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, thank you. And another really important information I wanted to give you, and it's a good thing, is when we take a look at crypto bubbles, we can see that the whole market is bleeding pretty hard, as we can see, but there are a few exceptions, and the exceptions is bread, which was sensational recently, but also Jasmy. So if you look at coins like Runa, Near, Shiba, Dot, With, they're all like minus 30, minus 40%, but Jasmy is plus 40. So even though the whole market, even Bonk here is minus 36. So even though the whole market is kind of like sinking, we can tell that Jasmy is holding strong. Okay, so that's a really good indicator, and it's showing that Jasmy is strong. And a few other altcoins like not bread, but like we're interested particularly in Jasmy right now. And guys, I've been telling you that we have been in greed and extreme greed for a long time. As you can see here, last month was 76, last week was 70, and look what's happening. I told you guys, this is overheated, this is too much. When we look at the long-term analysis, we've been pretty high for so long, and look what's happening. We're 60 now. So if we go to like 50s or 40s, or even on the left side here into greed or into fear or extreme fear, which we haven't seen for a long time, that means that my scenario that I just told you about about touching this moving average right here and bouncing out of that may actually happen, you know. So I predicted pretty well with RSR and other coins some kind of correction. So I may be right here. I know you're hoping that we can just bounce off that and just continue growing, which may happen, of course, but everything it's up to Bitcoin right now, okay? Because the market is in a really sensitive point. The altcoins showed a lot of growth, and now we need some kind of correction, some kind of shakeout, some kind of reset before next movement. So that wave was huge here. Look, guys, like how long we've been growing from the bottom to the top. That was a huge wave, and we need a little shakeout, which just happened, and a daily RSI is actually reset actually. So that's great. But on a weekly chart, we still are really high, and we can just have a little reset here as well, and we'll just see what happens, you know. We may actually touch this EMA too. It may not be next week, it may be in a month, and maybe during the vacation time. And then as we touch that, we're gonna just continue growing all the way up. Or if I'm wrong, I'm not wrong, I'm not gonna be wrong anytime, because in crypto, remember guys, like you cannot really predict anything. You have to be ready for all scenarios, and it's really, really, really important to be ready for all the scenarios and have it in mind. So if that happens, okay, I can get a little bit, but I have to be prepared for the price to go even lower to here or to there, and those will be the moments where I'm gonna make my DCA. I'm gonna have my next orders, and I'm gonna feel it for my long-term holdings. And then as the price is gonna bounce, then I'm gonna take my profits, take something off the table, or just hold it long term. So, but if you're holding Jasmy already and we're gonna continue growing, then you can think about putting something off the table and just thinking about selling. So you always have to be prepared with some stable coins to buy when we go low, and you have to be prepared to take profits as we go up. And you have to be prepared for multiple scenarios, because it's really hard to predict. It's not about predicting. Like, here's the thing. This game is not about predicting at all. Of course it is about the prediction, because you have to choose the right assets, right? You cannot choose some shitcoin. You have to choose Ethereum, Bitcoin, or Jasmy, which has really strong fundamentals. So that's one thing. But other thing, you have to have your profit take levels and order levels. You have to know the cycles, you have to know this, and you have to know the price levels when you make your purchases and when you make your sales. So that's really, really important. All right, guys, I think we actually covered everything in this video. It was supposed to be a nice 5-minute video. We just passed like 13 minutes, but it's okay. I got into a little lecture mode, so I thought I think you learned a little bit from this video. As you can see here, we are still really low on the Bitcoin altcoin chart, which is good for purchasing altcoins for long term a little bit. But this wave, remember, it could be a few waves here, okay? So don't blow up everything, all your bullets on a few altcoins right now, because we may see some lower levels. In case we see some lower levels, we can see a few, as you can see here on the left side, this Bitcoin season may actually last a little bit, okay? Like here it lasted like 2-3 months. So you will have probably a few occasions more, probably with lower levels, to accumulate more altcoins. So remember, do not blow up all your bullets. Always have some cash, stable coins ready to accumulate more, because after we're going to be done with accumulation zone here, we're going to bounce back into altcoin season, and all your altcoins will bring you a lot of profit in terms of value in BTC or even Ethereum, okay? But we're going to talk about that in this channel a little bit later, and I'm going to cover everything for you. So make sure to click subscribe, like this video. It's really good for you if you are into Jasmy, so this video can be promoted more and more people will be interested in Jasmy, and it's good for you as a Jasmy holder. Thank you so much. Again, everything is free on this channel, so if you like that video, I'm really happy. What you can do for me, just like that video, leave a comment, and subscribe, of course. And I'm gonna talk to you tomorrow. Think tomorrow I'm gonna cover Nvidia. I'm gonna cover Nvidia chart, which is really interesting, and I have some ideas on how to trade, how to swing trade Nvidia in the nearest time, and how you actually can double some part of your portfolio and have more assets to invest into crypto or just vacation, you know, or a new car or something. All right, thank you so much again, and I talk to you tomorrow. Bye.